Hello there, my name is Tom Squalo and I'm bringing you this emergency cryptocurrency update. Now, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And down in the description, you'll find a link to my free Telegram channel so that you're always alerted when the market is on the move. Now, this video is going to be very important. A few interesting key aspects that I really want to mention. And by the way, our channel is growing step by step, bit by bit. So thank you very much, my YouTube family, for all the likes and all the comments. So yes, always please do leave a comment and always do leave a like. That helps out the channel very much. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. And this is going to be a continuation of yesterday's video. And right now, it is important for us to keep an eye on S&P 500. And as I've mentioned in the yesterday's video, we currently are in this channel right here. And it seems like, again, it's very important to see the market open at 9:30 a.m. New York time today. And it might be that we're going to open with a slight gap upward, and then we want to really see what's going to happen afterwards, whether we're going to get rejected from this level of 44.20. If that's going to be the case, it's going to pull down Bitcoin as well. And of course, with a in S&P with a target of 42.80, just again this channel, which is going to affect Bitcoin price as well. And it's very important. Besides this, what I wanted to show you once again is the continuous drop and just plummet of Bitcoin, of whale activity on the exchanges. So this is something that is really worrisome. And I think that Bitcoin, and that's why I watched this video till the end, I think that the Bitcoin move, a huge Bitcoin move, is about to unfold and about to happen today or tomorrow in a very close, it's in a very close proximity. So you really have to be watching these things. So I mean, it's a drop from about 90% of whale activity down to 80%. At an instant. If we go back in time, we'll rarely find these kinds of drop. I mean, here is a drop, but it's somehow a much more linear one. So it's moving down step by step, not as fast, and all the drops are pretty much the same. But this one, look at this one. It's just plummeting down. It's a free fall in the whale activity. So very interesting to see what's going to come. And as you might remember, in the hourly chart, we're still in this wedge right now, but we had this very strong support right here, which we actually broke. And as I mentioned in a previous video, that we could be going down from here if we break it below, and this is exactly what happened. So if you went into a really nice short trade, congratulations on your profits. So as of right now, we are retracing just a tiny bit right here, and our current target, obviously, it comes without saying that our current target certainly is going to be this resistance right here, which is the resistance, the support of the actual falling wedge from the daily chart. But one more important thing to mention is this 200 MA from the hourly chart. It has been quite relevant for quite some time, as we can see the effects right here. Also, we had a squeeze right here, and then we broke below. Then we had a false break right here, a confirmation here. Also a complex false break in this area right here. Then we squeezed it and then finally broke above, stayed above it, and now we came to retest it. So this MA in this particular instance is going to be quite important. It's going to be quite an interesting support as of right now, plus the actual support of the falling wedge from the daily chart, our two main support. And if we're going to break both of these, so basically going below, I would probably say going below 36,300, this would open up a way for us down to, I would say that this would be opening up a way down to retest this low right here at about $33,000, and then consequently $30,000, which was our initial bearish target. So this is the current situation that I'm looking at. And if you want to be trading actively, shorting or longing Bitcoin, or trading the spot market or any other cryptocurrency, then look no further than Bybit. I personally have over more than $250,000 with Bybit just for active trading. So there is a link down in the description, which will give you up to $4,100 in free bonuses. And always create your account, takes like 20 seconds, go to Rewards Hub, claim the bonuses, and after you make your initial deposit. So do that. And right now, this is something that I'm going to be personally looking out for. And it is quite interesting how these how this technical analysis works in conjunction with the major trend and overall news situation. However, we, as I said, really have to watch what's going to happen in the S&P 500 today. So this is something that you really have to watch out for. And the current, my sentiment currently is I'm still quite bearish, because again, there is no reason for us to flip to bullish in a long-term perspective. Again, short-term, you can take a bunch of trades here and there, long and short, and small ones with a small, very tight stop for sure. But in a long-term perspective, as a major trend and understanding of the general market sentiment, I'm certainly bearish. So for me to flip bullish, once again, I want to show you exactly what's required for me to actually flip bullish. And that is going to be certainly, let me make this a bit bigger. So for me to flip bullish, I would certainly want to see the break of this falling wedge going above it. And then preferably also this level, which is our closest resistance in terms of horizontal key market levels, so going above about $40,500, and this would be the moment for me to actually flip bullish. But until then, I'm still a bit bearish, and I'm entertaining possibilities of shorting the market. So okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do let me know down in the comments. Also, please do like the video, and stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!